Okay, so the Juggernaut is all sanded and primed. It's ready for some paint. Next time you see it, or see him, should look pretty good. It's going to be all decked out in red and skin tones. Let's see. This guy's pretty tall though. I think he was what, 15 inches tall. Yeah, this one's going to take a little while to paint. Alright, now. Okay, so the Juggernaut is finally complete. I think it came out pretty good for my second airbrush job here. So it's 3D printed, as you could see from the clip before this, and I think it came out pretty good. The arms look pretty cool with the muscles. They got the veins showing up with some blue through them. I did that behind the paint. It came out pretty good. Got the brass knuckles going there. Some detail on the belt. Also the brass and the armbands in red. He's wearing his red boots. So if you know about the Juggernaut, you know he was all about the red. But he came out pretty good. The detail's really good in them. The print came out nice. The skin tones came out good. Happy with them. Especially with the veins. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can see the blue and the purple out of the veins, which was a technique I learned, which I tried on this guy and it worked out. But so that's the Juggernaut. So the next thing I got left, that's already been printed, and I just have to do some sanding and get it ready, is the Iron Man MK46. And that's going to have, like I said, it's going to have the full Soundworks with it. It's going to have Friday's voice. That one's going to be a cool helmet. It's got some cool shapes to it. And then after that, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Maybe some suggestions from people. Alright, so hope you like it as much as I do. I think it came out awesome. I mean, by the way, this is 15.5 inches tall. It's a big model. And he looks badass. So, all right. Well, and hope you enjoyed it. Falcon out.